Creating farmhouse-style wooden sign design ideas resonates deeply with contemporary interior decor trends, merging the essence of rustic charm with elements of modernity and luxury. This aesthetic appeal stems from the ability of wooden signs to evoke a sense of nostalgia while seamlessly fitting into the sophisticated design palettes favored in today's homes. The farmhouse style, with its roots in simplicity and functionality, has evolved into a fashionable statement that speaks to a broader audience, capturing the hearts of those who appreciate the beauty of handcrafted items infused with personal meaning. As homeowners seek to create inviting, warm spaces that reflect their individuality, the incorporation of farmhouse-style wooden signs serves as a perfect method to achieve this balance between rustic charm and modern elegance. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of farmhouse-style wooden sign design ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The allure of wooden signs lies in their versatility and adaptability, allowing artisans to customize designs that cater to the tastes of a diverse clientele. Whether it's a simple, hand-painted welcome sign, a family name display, or inspirational quotes, the possibilities are virtually limitless. Artisans can experiment with various fonts, colors, and finishes, transforming ordinary wood into stunning focal points that elevate the aesthetic of any room. This customization reflects personal stories and values, making each piece unique and meaningful. As these signs often convey messages of love, family, and home, they resonate emotionally with homeowners, adding a layer of depth to the decor that mass-produced items simply cannot achieve. This emotional connection enhances the luxury aspect of farmhouse-style wooden signs, as they become cherished items that contribute to the overall ambience of a space. Moreover, the modern interpretation of the farmhouse style embraces a clean, minimalist approach that often incorporates neutral color palettes and natural materials. This shift allows wooden signs to blend effortlessly with contemporary interiors, where the emphasis is on creating harmonious, cohesive environments. The use of reclaimed wood or high-quality hardwoods adds an element of luxury, as these materials not only enhance the visual appeal, but also speak to a commitment to sustainability and craftsmanship. The tactile nature of wood, combined with the thoughtful design of the signs, creates an inviting atmosphere that encourages warmth and comfort, essential elements in any modern home. As homeowners increasingly prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions, wooden signs crafted from eco-friendly materials are particularly appealing, aligning with a lifestyle that values both aesthetics and responsible consumption. In addition to their aesthetic and emotional significance, farmhouse-style wooden signs serve as versatile decor elements that can be integrated into various design schemes, from traditional to contemporary. This adaptability makes them an attractive option for homeowners looking to add a touch of personality to their spaces. For instance, a vintage-style sign with distressed finishes can provide a charming focal point in a rustic kitchen, while a sleek, modern design can enhance the sophistication of a minimalist living room. This ability to transition between styles allows artisans to tap into a broad market, catering to consumers who appreciate the fusion of old-world charm and modern design principles. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furthermore, The popularity of farmhouse-style wooden signs has been amplified by social media platforms, where visual inspiration plays a crucial role in shaping interior design trends. Home decor enthusiasts often share images of their spaces adorned with these signs, showcasing how they can transform a room and enhance its character. This visibility has contributed to a resurgence in the farmhouse aesthetic, encouraging more artisans to explore this niche and create innovative designs that resonate with contemporary consumers. As potential buyers browse through social media feeds filled with beautifully styled homes, they are drawn to the authenticity and warmth that farmhouse-style wooden signs provide, leading to increased demand for unique, handcrafted pieces. The craftsmanship involved in creating farmhouse-style wooden signs also adds to their allure. Artisans who pour their skills, creativity, and passion into each piece elevate the quality of their work, resulting in products that embody a sense of luxury and care. This dedication to craftsmanship resonates with consumers, who are increasingly willing to invest in handmade items that reflect the time and effort involved in their creation. The narrative behind each sign, how it was made, the materials used, and the inspiration behind the design becomes an integral part of its charm, further enhancing its perceived value. This connection between the maker and the consumer fosters a sense of appreciation for the artistry involved, encouraging buyers to support local artisans and choose quality over quantity in their home decor choices. Moreover, farmhouse-style wooden signs offer a unique opportunity for personalization, allowing homeowners to express their individuality and tell their stories through their decor. Custom signs featuring family names, important dates, or meaningful quotes create a sense of belonging and identity within a space. This personalization not only enhances the emotional connection to the home, but also aligns perfectly with the current trend of curating spaces that reflect personal values and aesthetics. As consumers increasingly seek ways to make their homes a true reflection of themselves, the demand for customizable farmhouse-style signs continues to grow, presenting artisans with ample opportunities to cater to this desire. In the modernity and luxury of creating farmhouse-style wooden sign design ideas play a significant role in contemporary interior decor trends. By combining rustic charm with personalized craftsmanship, these signs elevate the aesthetic of any space while fostering emotional connections that resonate with homeowners. Their versatility, sustainability, and adaptability to various design styles make them appealing to a wide audience, while the craftsmanship involved adds an element of luxury that consumers appreciate. As the farmhouse aesthetic continues to thrive, the demand for unique, handcrafted wooden signs will likely remain strong, allowing artisans to explore their creativity and contribute to the evolving narrative of modern interior design. Ultimately, these signs serve as more than mere decorative items. They encapsulate the essence of home, inviting warmth, comfort, and individuality into today's living spaces. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked farmhouse-style wooden sign design ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.